now I'm in my bedroom. You probably noticed my peluche in the back. Peluche is plushies. It's called un husky in French. And this is my fox. My tiny little fox. Mon petit renard. They are on my bed. Bed is lit in French. And this is my plaid. I guess it's the same in English. I'm not quite sure, but we also say plaid in French. This is my blanket. My blanket with the duvet cover. I'm sorry for the mess. You can see my pajamas over there. In French, it's pyjama. This is my pillow with the pillowcase, snowy pillowcase. Pillow in French is oreiller, and pillowcase is tête d'oreiller. If you want me to cover the clothes in the next video or the next short, I don't know, please tell me in the comments. This is my lamp. Lamp is basically the same in French, it's lampe. Those are my books on my table, ma table de nuit. Books are my livres. You can also see the carpet, which is tapis. My closet. Closet is armoire in French. This is my poster, which is tapisserie in French. This is the mirror, miroir en français. And that's pretty much it for the bedroom. And just in case I forgot, bedroom in French is la chambre. Chambre à coucher if you want to be fancy, but you can say la chambre. Next, I will show you the bathroom. Bathroom is salle de bain. Follow me. Whoa, maybe I'm too close to you. Those are les serviettes de bain, the bath towel, hand towel, serviette pour les mains. The sink is lavabo. You have the soap, which is savon. This is my boyfriend medication, so don't mind it. The toothpaste, which is dentifrice for the kids and for the adults, so us. Toothbrush, la brosse à dents, which is obviously my oldest daughter. This one is really easy. This is the deodorant. The perfume, parfum, mouthwash, bain de bouche, washing clothes. For les gants de toilette. I don't know if you wash yourself with your hands or with some clothes, but we use clothes. Those are the kids' toys. This is some shampoo, shampoing in French. This is some conditioner, which is après shampoing. Body wash. Is that how you say it in English? Soap for the body, body wash. For me, it's the same thing, but you might correct me in the comments. In French, this is gel douche. You can use it for the shower or for the bath. It doesn't matter. I also have stuff for the cleaning, but I think it might be more interesting to have it in another video, maybe. This is... Sorry. This is pretty much it for the bathroom, and then I'll have to go in the kitchen to show you something you can use for the meals. I won't go too much about it, but you will have to know the basics, perhaps, if you don't know it already. So come with me. Here we are again. If some of you have already watched my video about the Christmas log, I did it in that kitchen and I did it in the living room too. So in case you are curious about it, I will link in the description, and in the... You may have seen my fridge already. Fridge is frigidaire or frigo if you want to talk casually. Above my fridge, au-dessus de mon frigo, this is my congélateur, freezer. You have what could be more interesting for you. This is my microwave, micro-ondes en français. And then you have the pan. Pan is poêle. You have la casserole, which is also a bigger pan, a pot, if you will. This is a baby bottle, un biberon. What can I show you? Some tiny bowl, des bols, a plate, which is assiette in French. Salt, sel, pepper, poivre, all kinds of mug. My oven, mon four, ma cuisinière. And I forgot how you say it in English. I have a blank right now. I'll finish the vocabulary with the laundry machine, la machine à laver. This is the laundry machine. I showed you the plate But I forgot to show you les couverts, the cutlery. We have some baby spoon, une cuillère pour bébé. I have many more, but I will just show you one. This is a knife, un couteau, a fork, which is fourchette. I think that sums it up, and I really hope that tiny house tour wasn't too chaotic for you. If you have any requests for me, please tell me in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Bye!